what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid and you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So, hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel at Fellow the Boy. This is another video, and thank you for the returning subscribers, thank you for the new viewers, thank you for the new subscribers, the returning subscribers, and the new viewers. May God bless you a lot. So today is a glad day again. Here we are meeting, and we have just started a video from our lovely kitchen here. You can be able to check each and every place the way our kitchen is now on the camera that you are standing by. So today we are going to visit someone. There is one of the lady that not we, me. I'm going to visit, but now you'll be watching as I go. I'm going to visit one of the lady. There is a time I was doing a video, if you remember very well. Guys, I'm sorry for if you can't be able to see me very well, but the house can be seen, no problem. So I was telling you that there is one of the lady. When I was doing, there is a time I was doing a video last week. I was doing a video and walking in the village. I started a video from this place up to home again here. And now when I was coming back, I had reached before I reached to Mama Silas, I met one of the man by the name Mama Silas. If you watch that video very well, Mama Silas was looking after the cattle. And when I went up to his home. I was now passing on the way. I find the wife, and she's the mom to me. I found her and I greeted her. Now after greeting her, she talked about the problem of the leg, how she has been going to the hospital. She needs some medical of the leg. Now she said that she needs like 5,000 shillings for the medication. So she said that she wanted to come to me, at least if I can be able to help her something. But by good luck is that, okay, she never came, yes. But by good luck is that there is one of our subscribers, I don't want to mention her name. She sent me 2,000 shillings to go and give to her. And she said that if anybody maybe will chip in and help, well and good. But she has been able to donate 2,000 shillings for her leg. So that woman, I'm going to visit her right now as we are speaking. Although I don't know if she's around or not, but I will just try and go and see, because I don't have her number. Maybe that I can say that I could have called her. but I can just be able to go and see where they can be able to find her. So just be with me as I start this journey from here in our lovely kitchen here. We still love it. We love it, not we still love it. We love it even if it is incomplete. So God is fighting for everything. Let us not let the devil to win. So we are now going there. Let us have there to make sure that this door has been closed. So I don't know whether I have got. I don't have the key to this place, so I need to find the key and close it very well. So let me switch off the light now. So I've switched off. So we are going to that lady. We'll be visiting her. I have to take the money first in my house before we go. I think I will come to close here later, but I can just close it with we call it chabi in Kiswahili. Yeah, so I can just close it in that procedure. So we are leaving from the compound right now, heading there. But before I start the journey, I will have to maybe pick the money first. So I have to wipe my shoes to this duster because I don't want to remove them. You know, removing them, putting it on, sometimes it is a little bit tiresome. So let me show. Somebody will say something. Let me put my camera on this side as I check in my bank here. I'm trying to check in my bank here to see whether I have got something. Yes, that way. Somebody will say, fellow banner, fellow, you don't want our. So the Wi-Fi is on. Everything is on. I don't switch it off. I don't switch it off because of some reasons that I have got some good neighbors who normally use it. I have to close this door. So I have to close this one. So let us go. I was telling you that I can't be able to lock that Wi-Fi to switch it off, because whether you use it or you don't use, you'll just pay. Use it or don't use, you'll just pay. So it's better you just leave it for I think my guy by the name Dalmas and the friends, they normally use it, and some good people, that's what I can say. Yeah, some good people, they normally use it, so there is no need of putting it off, because whether I use it or not, the end of the month I will just pay. So you can imagine that. So you better leave it them to use it. It is called unlimited Wi-Fi. Unlimited Wi-Fi. My bike is here. My motorbike is at this place. I washed it yesterday, but right now we are having a lot of dust. So each and every time you find the rims, they are dirty. They have got the dust. So I'm walking slowly by slowly as I head to that place. I see at Mama Aunt's we have got a new structure there. I'm seeing a new structure at that place. I will have to watch their video and see what are they constructing there, because I can just be able to see it from this point. You know, it is where I am, it is a little bit raised, so you can be able to see very well at the high point. So I have to go to the left, right side, not left. Anyaje. So Maraba, this is Noel Chacha. Yes. You can come and say hello, bro.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to Fellow the Boy.
Yes.
Yeah, we are here. I'm just coming from our family here.
Yeah.
So I'm just heading back home.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Noel Church on YouTube, guys.
Yes.
Can kindly go and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
Yes.
I see the dog is going out, and you have already you
Yeah.
wanted to enter inside it with it.
Even the chief, they are not supposed to be.
They are not supposed to be out. Huh?
No, because they can disappear.
Oh, they can disappear. Oh, so you want it to be inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, that way now. So guys, check on his YouTube channel at Noel Chacha and subscribe. Yeah, the road is being constructed right now. I see like this road, they are constructing it. These are the developments in the community. I don't know people who are behind this, but I just appreciate if you are the one who's doing it. May God bless you, because I know constructing a road, guys, is not something that is very easy. Constructing roads is very expensive, very, very, very expensive. So most of even the government, sometimes if we find the government is doing something like that, they just take time doing it, because it needs some steps to each step. Yeah. Azashikao. Mzima. Sijambo. Yeah. So I'm using this road now as I go there. I'm going at Mama Silas. That is congrats that I met. I just saying hello to him. You see, this structure is the one that I was talking about. It is a new structure, but I will have to check out and see. So there is one of the vehicle that is coming from down there. I have to wait for it to pass, or I can just pass. I wait for it to pass. Poa sana. Poa sana, vipi? Yeah. Korobo. Boya. Yeah, so that is Gitiriba. So let me go. Is this home? I'm just going to this home here. I think it is this one. Yeah, it is. Not I think, but it is. It is the one. So the road has been constructed up to the other place, downwards at Marwa's place. But now me, I'm diverting to this home. I'm just going to this home to go and look at that woman. Because last time we met with the dad at that point. So let us go here. Odi. So Odi is like, you are knocking for you to be accepted to be in. Maadhe, shikamoo. Naona kuku wako sawa kabisa. Marahaba. Uko mzima?
Nashukuru Mungu.
Unapata nafuu kidogo?
Niko na kiasi.
Okay. Habari ya tangu siku ile?
Tangu siku ile. Sio nzuri, sio mbaya.
Okay. Yakuwa kama muda kidogo. Imechukua kama siku kama 5 hivi kutoka ni 5 ama kama ka wiki hivi? Kama ka wiki, ndio?
Kama almost 2 weeks.
Almost 2 weeks. So how is the condition of your leg right now?
Sio nzuri.
Yeah.
But nilienda nikapewa sindano.
Yeah.
Na nikachukua vidonge nusu dosi.
Okay.
So niliisa chusi.
Yeah.
Sasa tutapata kingine tena.
Okay. So last time you said you are supposed to pay 5,000 for the medication. And kutoka hiyo siku umepata ngapi sasa?
Tangu siku hiyo nimepata kama 700. Ndio msee akaenda akanunua dosi. Dosi mbili.
Yeah.
Nusu hizo.
Okay.
Sasa wakati na sindani nikatungwa moja.
Yeah.
Wakati nimetungwa hiyo sindani, alafu nikasikia vibaya kuliko vile nilikuwa nasikia mara ya kwanza. Mifupa ikawa inaniuma sana. Ndio tena juzi akaenda hospitalini, akaenda kauliza daktari kwa nini, tena akamwandikia dawa zingine.
Okay.
Hatuchelewa sasa.
Okay guys, so I'm asking her how she's feeling. I think that day we met with her, but she's saying that they have been having the problem of capital. Now I'm asking her how much she has got since that day, because she was saying she need 5,000. So she's saying that she only got 700 shillings. If you minus from 5,000, that's around 4,300, the balance that she's supposed to have now. So she went for the checkup, and they realized that also the bones have got the problem. But Baba Silas, of which the guy whom I met when he was looking after the cattle, he went and looked for some drugs and brought it. And that drugs that he brought, some of them were already finished. So she's just there the way you are seeing her. Mzee aliniambia asubuhi ameenda mnadani. Nilimpigia simu akaniambia kwa mnada anatafuta nini? Sijui nini alikuwa anauza eti anunue dawa. Ni kuku ama ni mbuzi?
Ni kuku.
Kuku?
Alirudi naso. Ilikuwa mbaya alirudi naso. Siko tu sinaranganga.
Okay. Yuko ama alitoka?
Alienda kanisani.
Na
kuna kijana wetu post wetu alikufa. Kijana wetu akipiga keyboard, so naendelea na
the keyboard man died. So he has gone to the funeral. Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, so Baba Silas today he went to go, not today, was on Sunday. We normally have the local market at a place called Mabera. So he went to sell the chickens that we are seeing here. But the Mama Silas, she's saying that the price was not good. So Baba Silas had to return back with the chickens, so that we can be able, maybe they can increase the price, or they can just be able to increase in development for that to be at least more price now. So me, I've just came here with huyu mtoto wako? Sawa. So this is mtoto sujia tu salamie. Do you know how to speak English? You come and say hello. Because I haven't even said hello and I find you here. Yeah. So she's what is your name? Your name is? Joy.
Yes.
Wegesa. Oh, you are a salonist?
No.
Or you are learning?
Yes.
Oh, you're still learning.
Yes.
You could like to be a salonist in future when you finish school?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. I've got a very nice dream. Okay, thank you for your time. Yeah, so I came here with there is one of the subscribers. She's a woman. She sent me 2,000 shillings. Let me check what she said. I'm just checking what she said about the money that she sent, because it is around 3 to 4 days since she sent the money. So guys, I'm trying to check on the explanation about the money that was sent. So I'm just going through my phone here to check on WhatsApp. Okay, it is here. She asked me, has the lady with the bad leg got the money to buy the drugs? I said she has not yet get. She said I will donate 2,000 for her. Then she wrote, I have sent it. So thanks a lot. I will deliver it tomorrow. That's what I replied to her. Then she replied with the dollar signs, dollar. So that is it now. So 2,000 alinitumia, kuna mtu alinitumia 2,000 shillings. Akaniambia hizo pesa zenye ametuma ndio zenye ako nazo atadonate, alafu zingine kama wengine pia watadonate ni sawa, ama kama unaweza pata. But 2,000 ndio alinipatia. So hii 2,000 nadhani labda itakusaidia kidogo, because now Baba Silas had gone to the market to go and sell the chickens, and the price was not good. So these chickens now, this money is going at least to help you. It is going to help you so that you can be able to get some drugs. I know maybe God is going to be there, and by good luck, if I get something again, the goodness with me is that when I've been sent, I just come the way I've been sent. Yeah, I don't have cornering here and there. I have to be. That's why I have decided to read the message on WhatsApp that she sent, and I know she's watching this video. She knows that fellow the boy has delivered the money. So the money is here, 2,000 shillings. Maybe you can have it now that way.
Asante. Apalikiwe sana mwenye ameninunulia dawa.
Yeah.
Mungu ambariki sana.
Okay.
Asipungukiwe.
Amina.
Asante.
Yeah, she's saying that whoever donated money for the drugs, may you not lack. God bless you a lot for the help that you have supported Mama Silas. So she's called Mama Silas. So if you are asking me about her, just use Mama Silas. or we have got also Baba Silas. Baba Silas is the one who used to dig for me the boreholes when I was doing the projects here and there. And she was also working at my construction site at my home when I was building my house. They used to fetch water. She was fetching also water and bringing it. But we appreciate that. So you are going just to be okay. I'm also praying for you. Yeah, I'm also praying for you a lot that God to heal you. So that you can, the devil that is trying to win on your side, we rebuke it and we burn it by the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
And we want the blood of Jesus to come and surround your home, and also to come over you in your bones and also in your leg, so that you can be able to get back to your normal, how you are. Yeah. So I don't have much to add on it. And maybe if Baba Silas comes, just pass my greetings to him. Yeah, and next time maybe if I get also another information, I will be able to bring it out so that you'll be okay. Asante. Amina. Yeah, so guys, I'm leaving now. I have already helped her. Hi, wacha niende sasa. Hi. Yes, guys, so that is how it is. It is what it is. So I'm going back to, I will have to use this road now. I came from this side. I came from this side, but I will not be able to use this side again. I came from this side. Now I will be I'm going using this side. So let us go. This is our village. So I have a freedom to walk here. Because this is you know, a village where you stay belongs to also to your village. If you are a village from that place, you also belong to that place. So you can have a freedom to walk. No one can come and tell you you are not supposed to pass here, or no one is supposed to come and ask you, why are you not passing here? Yeah, so freedom of, when I was in high school, we used to learn freedom of speech, freedom of movement, right to stay, right to eat, right to learn. A lot of rights are there in school when you are learning. So what you need to do is just to follow them and make sure that you are not misusing those rights. You have just to make sure that the rights have been used very well. Okay, so let us go. We are appreciating about the village. The village has grown. We are appreciating. We have got the church here. It's an SDA church. So it is still under construction. They are still constructing it. They haven't finished yet. They just put some timbers on top of it. They did timbering. Is it timbering? No. They did framing, not timbering. Because timbering is a process whereby you support, for example, if you are digging a hole and that hole is down and you need some support for it not to collapse, you have to use what we call timbering. But this is now the framing. Framing is whereby you have done but not finished the iron sheets. So safari andies are here. These ones are very dangerous, guys. These ones, they are very dangerous than military force. Very dangerous. When we were young, they used to say that you cannot be able to jump. If you jump on it, you cross it. That if you cross it, you have got a bad luck. May find a bad luck where you are going. So I'm not sure about it. I can't support that. I cannot support that. So I have to use this road. I'm just using this road because I need to go to check on my maize. I have got maize on the other side to see how they are doing. So I have to pass near to my brothers, my Yugno here, as I go. Yeah. People are trying. No one is sleeping. No one wants to sleep. Everybody waked up. Everybody has waked up. You know what? If you know that very well, that you are supposed to go very far in the future. I don't think if you can. Jambo dad. I don't think if you can be able to joke around with life. Look at that place, guys. A lot of trees. I I like how the camera normally just take it. You can just be able to see very far, very far. Our cameras cannot be able to zoom. But if you have got a phone just can be able to zoom it. Niaje? Poa uko poa? Yeah, so there is one of the cows feeding here on the grass. There are two cows. I think it is mother and calf. A mother and a calf. They are feeding on the grass here. Very nice way. So it seems that it's the one that they milk. It has got a lot of milk. Oh, the one of these maize, I don't know why he has not weed them. Because if you see, it's like they're asking for weeding. Oh, he has already started from this side. So I need to pass here. I don't know. We normally have a certain road at this place. Some Panya route. I think it is this place. Panya route. I don't know. I don't know if it is this place or the other place. This place. Let me just try. I'm just risking. I'm trying to risk to pass. I don't know if somebody will shout. Hey, hey. Somebody may shout and say, why are you passing there? Why are you passing there? But this is village. There is a bush at this point. There is a bush here near Bushman Dude's home. Near Bushman Dude's home, there is a bush here. I think that's why he called himself Bushman Dude. It may be the reason why he called himself Bushman Dude. One day I will ask him, why did you call yourself Bushman Dude? Okay. I don't know whether I've used the right way to come here. I don't know. Okay, let us try here. I think this place I will go now. I'm trying to make roads where there is no roads. Making roads where there is no roads. So this is Bushman Dude's home now. And here is Mayugno's home. So I'm passing here. I think there is a road that I left on the other side that I was supposed to come with, because this one is still returning me to. This road is just returning me where I have came from. You see this road? It is still returning me where I was. So there is a trouble here. There is a trouble. Let me do this way. Let me do this way. I have to go back. I have to go back again and try to look for another road there. I'm trying to look for another road at this side. As I pass, as I go. That way until we get the way. Okay. I think here now will be okay. Because here, I see they haven't planted here anything, so I can pass here. This is Bushman Dude's land. This is Bushman Dude's land, so I have to pass this. Oh, I see some sisal. I don't know whether it's his or he sold it. I'm not sure. Okay, let us go. Let us go. And even he seems he's not around. I'm sweating, man. I'm really sweating because of sun. We have got a lot of sun. So let me pass here now. I feel like I can get somewhere and sit and relax in the shed. Maybe I will relax at that place. There's a shed there. I'm going to relax on that shed. Yeah, we have got a shed here. Hey, man, I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I have to relax a bit. Hey, I'm breathing, man. or I have to look a place I can sit. I'm trying to look a good place that where I can at least sit. I think here is okay. I can sit on this I can sit on this stone. There is a stone here where I want to sit now. Because I feel what I'm feeling now. I'm very hot. The problem is not that I've walked a lot or a long distance. The problem that I'm having is that it is lighting. We have got a lot of sun. We have got a lot of sun, and also I had to lost the way. I had to lost at a certain place. So that's why I'm trying to feel better here. So this is Fellow the Boy. In case you are watching this video for the first time, guys, I just request you to subscribe on this YouTube channel at Fellow the Boy as we move to road to 8,000 subscribers. Hey, let me check whether somebody has called me. It is 4 p.m. here. It is 4 p.m. right now here. I think at your place it is in States, in US, 8 hours ahead. So 4, let us see, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9. So right now it is 9 a.m. 9 a.m. at America. In America, not at America, in America. So we can just be able, can we proceed with our journey as we go? Okay, let us go now. At least I'm feeling now better. I'm feeling now better. So we can go. Hey. So my maize are here. We have got another one there. You see that Nasto's home. So up here, that is my maize that I was coming to see them. But I will not reach there because of the sun. Because of the sun, I won't be able to reach there. So let me just go. Let me just go home. I feel some announcement around here. Oh, there is a fundraising that is going on in a certain home here. There is a guy who's in the hospital, so they are contributing money to take out him from the hospital. So that's why I was wondering where is that noise coming from. So let us head there. Let us go. We are just going home now. So I was just showing you. I was just now checking on this maze here. From this point to the other point. This is some small project that I decided just to do. Not a big one, but just small one. It's just small one. So let us go. I see some people there, but they don't like to be on camera. Let me cut. So yes, guys, I was passing a certain place and we are having some ladies. They fear cameras. They fear cameras mostly. So I had to post it out. Those one who have got some negative mindset about YouTube channel. So there is also another story that I've met there, but I don't want to talk about it right now because somebody that I found, she was just crying, and also I was like, I was crying there. So I don't want even to share it on camera right now, but maybe if it will force me to share it, maybe in a next video I will share it. I don't know what I can do, but in this world, guys, as long as you are still staying in this world and you are healthy, thank God a lot. thank God a lot. If you move from your house every day morning, you go for your hustle, you get something to eat, you have got some energy to talk like me this way, healthy like me, I'm walking right now. Just thank God a lot. I'm just picking this because of one of the lady that when I switched off the camera, it is not good. Not where I was passing where the ladies didn't want it to be shown on the camera, but not that they didn't even to be shown on camera. It's only that sometimes when I pass at a place and I see a group of people, I don't like passing with the camera there. Sometimes I switch it off. But now after passing that place, I'm like confused. I don't know. Sometimes I normally feel like I can check everything that I have and offer to someone. But let it just be. God will just be able to save that woman that I have met right now. Can you imagine? I'm just coming from another story of helping someone who has got the problem of the leg, and now on my way coming back, I've met also another lady crying, feeling pain. Her leg has, I don't know what I can say, her leg has swollen until she can't even move. But I know one day, one time, God will come and heal these ladies who are passing through a lot of problems. So guys, thank you very much. Because of emotional how I'm feeling, I want to end this video. I don't think if I can be able even continue. Let me see whether I can be able to find even 500 shillings inside this house, because that woman has asked me even if I can help her. She wants to go to the hospital right now, not the one that I've already checked on, but we have got another one here around here. She's waiting for me. So let me just do that, and as I end this video, that is it will be a story of another day, or if you would like to hear about it, you can just contact me, because I have even taken a photo here. It is in my phone. The leg is swollen, really swollen, and she's crying. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Fellow the Boy, and in case you haven't checked on this YouTube channel, check on this YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel as we move road to 8,000 subscribers. May God bless you a lot. I love you. I love you. I love you a lot, more than a lot. Thank you. Bye.